Here we have Morello quarter phase 2, so this one has definitely started now because we've got 2 cores and 2 tower cranes. This core's pretty much topped out now. This other one will rise to the same height. I think it's about 90 metres I think they'll stand. So we'll have a walk round and see what's going on. And you can see the floor plates are starting to rise up the cores now. Yeah, last time we was here 18 months ago there was nothing going on. They prepared the ground and put a few markings out, but that was it. So a lot's gone on since then. Yeah, I've not been filming videos for a long time now because of the pandemic, so but now things are easing off. I've come back and do a whole load of new videos. Yeah, when completed this will be Tower South and that one will be Tower North, Morello North, Morello South. Yeah, I think the whole development's 440 apartments if I can remember. That's including the Cherry Orchard Garden site. The Porter and Salter's back open. I think that was boarded up a little while ago because of the pandemic and they had to close, but looks like they've reopened. Yeah. Let's come over this side a minute. Yeah, about 10 years ago there used to be a building here called Amy Johnson House. I think it was about a 7-storey building which was demolished, and then the site stood empty for about, it was about 10 years, and then there was a number of proposals on the site. There was going to be a 54-storey tower and a hotel there, but they dropped those plans. So this is what they're building instead. You can see the brick cladding on there, which is what they're going to be, what the building will be, cladded in. Yeah, I think that'll be the electrical substations to the buildings, those 2 things over there. As you can see, they've tied the 2 separate cores, and they've used ties, temporary ties, just to tie them together. Yeah, these floor plates will rise all the way up to the top, 25 stories. I think the ground and first floor will be commercial. Shops, restaurants or bars, something like that. So you'll come off the bridge and then that will be part of the public walkway from the bridge. And you'll have the shop entrance there, then you'll come down here for the shops and that on the ground floor. Also between the towers you'll have the we'll cross this road. Yeah, there's no pavement there because they've brought it right out to the road there, so they can have access to the buildings from the front. Yeah, I'll put all the write-ups and there's images, slideshow images at the end of the video. Yeah, that one's up to 16, that one's up to 25. You'll have the steps coming down from the bridge, which is at the back there. Steps coming down, then you'll come straight out onto the pavement there. Then you'll have a pedestrian crossing here to get over to this side. You'll have shops Don't know what they're going to be yet. Probably shops, restaurants and bars on either base of either tower, and on the first floor, at the top of the steps, you'll be able to access the first floor from the top of the steps. So you have a walkway at the back there going across, and you'll come down the steps for the ground floor, and the rest of the building above will be apartments. That's why they're so wide from there to there, then from there to there is wide, and then they narrow down as they go to the residential floors. Yeah, over this side we have Cherry Orchard Gardens, which is well underway now. Separate tower crane for that. Yeah, Mentor Regeneration and Mitsubishi Estates are in partnership delivering all of the Morello 2. Yeah, it was mentioned Red Row Homes doing phase 1, which is the 4 buildings over the back there, which I've done videos on a few years ago when they was building those, but now it's Mentor and Mitsubishi Estates doing this. Sir Robert McAlpine are the contractors building it. Yeah, Mitsubishi Estates signage at the back over there. Yeah, so these buildings will be quite impressive when they're finished. Yeah, I think one will be just over 89 metres, and I think it's this one that will be just under 90 metres, so pretty much 90 metres each. So the NLA tower, number 1 Croydon, I think it's 82 metres, so be about 8 metres above roughly, which that was Croydon's tallest building until 2008 when they built altitude 25, which is over the back, down the road over the back there. Yeah, we'll cross over again now. Yeah, there's no workers because we're well early. It's about 7:15 now, I think. 7:15 in the morning. Be a bit nosy, yeah. Yeah, they'll tell me off if they catch me doing this. They certainly don't like filming. Yeah, they've took the pavement and a bit of the road, so they've got access through here. That's the idea of this. All this fencing along here what they put up. Yeah, that's Morello phase 1, these 4 buildings here, which they completed a couple of years ago. A little play area there for the residents in Morello 1. Yeah, Cherry Orchard Gardens there, that'll be part 5, part 9 stories when it's completed. Also further down 40 to 60 Cherry Orchard Road, they've pulled down the old meat packing plant there, the Cherryfield site, and they're going to build a part 9, I think 2 blocks of part 9, part 7 stories on there. Demolition's underway on that as we speak. Yeah, there's been more going on in Croydon since the pandemic than before. It's amazing, really. Yeah, that one's Rainier. Santina. That's the name of these 4 buildings, and the other one's down there. I've walked past the other one. Yeah, 45 Cherry Orchard Road. Yeah, that's 40 to 60 Cherry Orchard Road. That's what they're going to build, 2 blocks of part 7, part 9 stories. I'll do a separate video on that in a minute. Yeah, so each time I come to Croydon I'll do a video on all of this, and until it's finished. But yeah, it's quite impressive really, all of this starting all at once. Yeah, this will be the affordable part of the development in this building. The 2 towers will be private sale. Yeah, I think the whole thing's 440 apartments in the 2 towers and the Cherry Orchard Gardens there. Yeah, this will be part 9, part 5 stories when it's completed. In the images there's a picture of an office block looking from one of the platforms at East Croydon Station. That is Amy Johnson House, what used to stand over there, where the 2, when they're building the 2 towers there. And the building that used to occupy this site before they built all this, phase 1, was the Bank of America Galaxy House, which was a green glass 9-storey office building which was demolished. And you've got the 10 Degrees building at the back there, that's finished now, 38, 44 stories. 100A George Street. Yeah, we've come round the back now, but you can't see too much. You see a bit of the crane there, but this is Morello 1 anyway. Yeah. Yeah, it's been a while since I come round here and filmed last when they was finishing this off, so I thought I'd just come round again, but can't see too much from here now. Yeah, there you have Quest House, that was refurbished about the time they built these. Obviously you've got the railway there. Yeah, if I can add a bit onto this video, I'll go onto the station a bit later on and I'll film from the station side. If I can do that, I'll do that. If not, I'll just go straight to the images and write-ups. So yeah, if I could do that, I'll add that onto this video. If not, I'll just go straight to the images and write-ups. So I'll catch you in the next one. Here we are back on the station now, so we can have a look at Morello 2 from this angle. We'll go down on the platform and have a look. Just go down here and have a bit look. Yeah, it's the Cherry Orchard Gardens development over there. Nice to see Morello North and Morello South Tower there. On the other side, what will be the bridge there. there and you'll come down the steps straight onto Cherry Orchard Road where we just was. Go back up the steps and have a look. See some of the brick there. When it's finished, that's the brick finish we'll use. Yeah, this is obviously the bridge from Ruskin Square down the other end. You'll walk through here, straight through there. They do the steps down. They'll go straight out to Cherry Orchard Road. You'll have the two 25-storey towers each side. Yeah, so I'll catch you in the next one.